welcome to my YouTube channel. How are you friends? Hope you will be fine. Today's video is about bathroom ideas. Friends, in this video I am presenting you with very decent and modern ideas for the bathroom. These designs are very beautiful and unique, so do not skip the video and watch it from start to end. Friends, these ideas are full of colors, as some people like dark colors while others like light ones. In this video, some ideas of bathrooms have light colors and some have dark colors. In some ideas, you will find color combinations too. Friends, a glass shower in a bathroom offers aesthetic appeal, natural light, and easy maintenance. It can elevate the space's design, brighten the area, and simplify cleaning, making it an attractive and practical addition to any bathroom. So in ideas you will also find the bathroom with glass showers. Friends, you will also find ideas regarding steam showers, a modern technology in this video. Friends, steam showers in bathroom are becoming increasingly popular for their relaxation and wellness benefits. Make sure to consult a professional for installation and maintenance to ensure safety and proper functionality. Friends, you will explore different bathroom tiles decoration ideas in this video. In some ideas, you will see bathroom tiles with different patterns, and in some ideas, simple line design. Friends, mirrors are a common and essential features in bathrooms. They serve both functional and aesthetic purposes. So I have explored some ideas regarding bathroom with mirrors. Friends, some of the ideas shows bathroom accessories. Bathroom accessories are essential elements that enhance the functionality and style of your bathroom. Friends, if you enjoy this video, then like it and share the video to friends that like such content, and comment the video, and please tell me in comments about this video. Friends, do not forget to subscribe my channel and press bell icon to receive such content. Thanks.